Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Uvusi kusekuseni. He is preparing for work, putting on his shirt. As he's putting on his shirt, Utrina comes into the room. It looks like she just came from a jog. She's dressed in her gym attire. So she's like, oh yazi kuyadingeka ngesinye isikhathi ukuthi umuntu nje athi ukujuluka kancane. Uvusi is like, kanti-ke you could have just woken me up ngakugijimisa la endlini ingathi ingane encane. And then utrina laughs, and then she's like, if you hadn't started dressing up right now bengizothi join me in the shower. And then uvusi goes on to say, ingathi ngiyayithanda lento yakho yokugijima ekuseni, if izokwenza ukuthi ucabanga ngale ndlela. And then utrina laughs, and she's like, angazi yazi ukuthi ngagcina nini ukumotivateka ngale ndlela lena. Ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ngikubonge sithandwa sami. Uvusi is like, okay, ungibonga ngokwenzani. Utrina then says, ngokuthi asithathe lokhu esikudeservayo singaze silinde ukuthi sinikezwe. Awazi ukuthi ngijabule kanjani sithandwa sami. I'm just like, Utrina has not changed, you guys. After everything I really thought she has changed. Imagine she's busy saying kuvusi ukuthi she is feeling motivated ngenxa yokuthi bazontshontshela, or they're planning to steal from unjengaye. Yup. Uvusi then says, okay, and then they kiss, they busy giggling there bayachamana laphayana, and then Uvusi says, mina-ke sithandwa sami ngibonga wena ngokuthi ungikhumbuze ukuthi mina nawe kahle kahle yini esifanele. And then utrina then says, umshado unjalo phela, teamwork, ukubambisana nokukhuthazana. Uvusi then says, yazi kuneplani la encane esithandwa sami that I've been working on sonke lesi sikhathi engicabanga ukuthi it should be our next step we plan yethu. So he takes out a book on the side of his bed, and then when he opens the book, guys, the book has many signatures there. So Trina looks at the book, she's like, yini le? Then Uvusi then says, leyo ke sithandwa sami yi-signature yanjengaye Dlamini. Utrina's like, okay. Uvusi goes on to say ukuthi I've been practicing it sonke lesi sikhathi ngibona ingathi ngiyasondela kancane kancane. Utrina's like, yeah, kodwa ke sizodinga enye option ngoba lena izogcina isifikisa nasejele. Kodwa ke kuhle ke ukuzama. Uvusi then says, kodwa ke vele okwamanje into ekumele ukuthi ngenze isiqiniseko sayo yikuthi ngirejiste imankazi kalala as our new supplier. Utrina then says, okay ke nami ke ngizothi ukuzama indaba ye-signature. Uvusi is like, yeah, by the way, it's nice to meet you, Mrs. Zikalala. Then they smile together. Uvusi says, mhlampe ke singathatha le shower, bukhuluma ngayo, and then make the whole place wet. And then they go into the shower, you guys. I'm just like, these two. Hey, they're gonna get caught. We already know that. But now whatever they're trying to do, they're trying to put a fake signature. Ya lokuzana la yanjengaye. I'm like, Vusi. Anyway, guys, next scene, we see Uvelepi. She is in Usipho's room. She's making up umbhede laphayana while Usipho's standing on the side ubambe imiqamelo as Uvelepi is busy dusting the bed. Usipho then says, manje ke kwenzakalani ngathi lo bafo bekazama eye candy nje, hayi abo cleaner. Or hi i-cleaner. And then Uvelepi then says, kahle Sipho, havunehaba nkosi yami. Umuntu nje ngoku-offerisha champagne already sekazama into. And then uSipho's like, ehena, bekafuna ukuthi udawe. And then Uvelepi is like, hayi kahle bo, ihabe lingaka Sipho, ngiphuze iglasi elilodwa nje. Futhi ke nakhona ngicabanga ukuthi mhlampe bekafuna ukuthi asikhombise ukuthi uyasamkela ebefuna ukuthi si-relaxe kancane, yabo. Usipho's like, hayi bo, if bekafuna i-cleaner ngempela lo muntu, he would have let you do umsebenzi wakho and not offer you i-champagne. Then Uvelepi then says, yo, phela wena unjalo Sipho. Angithi ngiyasho ukuthi client labantu belufuna ukuzixoxela nathi nje ingathi ushawa yisizungu vele, and then futhi ke ebenomusa kabi ke shame lo muntu, so there was nothing wrong in what he was doing. USipho's like bese lona iclient litholani in return. UVelaphi then says kahle kahle when I think about it uthole ngaphezu kunalokho akukhokhele. Umuzi oclean simklinele kahle phezu kwalokho samxoxisa wamnandi waphinda waklinela yimina. Angithi nawe uyazibonela ukuthi mina ngihot ngimuhleke and awukho ready for nene ngizokubonisa yona. She goes to her handbag, she takes something out of her handbag, she's like ayibo uze wasinikeza namatikiti. Usipho looks at the tickets. He's like, how am I? Amatikiti for DJ Deck King. How am I? Yazi bengiwa-check-a sithandwa sami online and ayabiza. UVelaphi's like, yebo ke uyabona ke ukuthi alikho icala lokuveza izinyo kancane nje ku-client. Yabona ke, and then the scene ends like that. Guys, I am worried about UVelaphi because angithi UVelaphi, she took over her mother's cleaning business, and her and the rest of the girls, they changed the uniform. The uniform is cute, but it's a bit too short, and I'm wondering if some of these clients are not going to be taking advantage of these girls acting as if baba bizela ukuthi bazocleana kanti they want something else or something above the cleaning asazi. But this situation, it just seems a bit skeptical and UVelaphi akaboni. And that's the thing about UVelaphi angimthoni because UVelaphi is she's streetwise, she's street smart, so I don't get ukuthi why she's not saying ukuthi this client was overly friendly with her. Next scene, uSamke benovuma are sitting kwambambo in the kitchen and they were having a conversation. So Samke is busy saying to uVuma uSibongile wenze into enhle ngempela, sekadlule ezintweni eziningi ezibuhlungu, siyamkoloda nje. Kusho ukuthi they speaking about indaba yememulo. And then uVuma says, hayi ngiyakuzwa futhi nje ukhuluma kahle, kodwa mina ke ngithi asilinde kancane, asimnike nje ithuba sibone ukuthi uzofika yini ku 21 years. Then uSamke's like, how? UDecember nje uzoshaya manje, uSibongile will be turning 21 manje ngoDecember. As they're speaking like that, UVelaphi walks in. She's like, sanibonani la ekhaya. She goes to the fridge. She's dressed in a uniform. Kusho ukuthi she's preparing to leave. And then uVuma then says, how ntombi yami. Hey uVuma, ever since UVelaphi esebenza nje, he greets ngendlela right nje. So anyway, uSamke continues with the conversation. She's like, ukhumbula ukuthi ingane eziningi zamanje nje mazithi 21, ay shame, they are no longer amachichi. They have 2 or 3 children by then. So UVelaphi, you can see what she's irritating ngale nkulumo because she has a child, you know. Then UVelaphi closes the fridge and then she looks at them. She's like, loSibongile enikhuluma ngaye yilona oqoshiwe egroupini yamachichi. Hey, hi shame. Nisaleni kahle. She takes her bag, she walks out. USamke just rolls her eyes because she knows how UVelaphi is. UVelaphi's just been spiteful by saying that statement, but uVuma is so stunned and so shocked. And then uVuma turns and he looks at uSamke. He's like, ikhona into oyaziyo ngalento eshiwo uVelaphi. USamke's like, how kodwa engikwaziyo mina ngimbonile uSibongile ebuya with dance practice yamachichi. I'm just asking myself ukuthi why is uSamke lying for uSibongile? I just feel like uSamke sometimes she's doing too much to get uVuma to love her, and I feel like uVuma already loves her. uVuma then says there's only one reason isizathu esingadala ukuthi uqoshwe emhlanganweni wamachichi. USamke's like, hayi bo, musu ubunaka uVelaphi uyamazi nje. So uthini ngoSibongile siyamenzela? uVuma's like, singamenzela kodwa kuyomela ukuthi ahlolwe kuqala. Kade ngingene ehlazweni la ekhaya bandla. Kudala nje sihlebeka thina la kwambambo la eXhobo. Then uSamke goes on to say, unesiqiniseko salokho? uVuma says iyona yodwa indlela esingathola ngayo if uSibongile uyilungele yini le lokhuzana le memulo. And then uSamke says hayi kodwa lento yokuhlolwa ayi mina amaphutha ayenzeka uthola ukuthi umntwana ahlole then bathi ukuthi asenalo ihlo and umntwana was busy riding ihashi and broke the virginity like that. Uvuma's like hayi Samke uSibongile akagibeli amahashi alikho ihashi la ekhaya futhi-ke lento yokuhlola ilisiko lethu Samke. Kwakufanele waseqaleni uSibongile angene vele emhlanganweni wamatshitshi. Kwakuvele kufanele wangenzeki-ke. uSamke looks so bored. She's like, okay-ke. And then uVuma says, umuntu angahloliwe angimenzeli umemulo mina. The scene ends like that. Guys, why is uSamke pushing for this whole thing? Because okokuqala, she wants to rush umemulo to be done. I thought umemulo is going to be done maybe months from now, but it seems like it's something that needs to be soon. Number two, she doesn't want ukuthi uSibongile ahlolwe because maybe she's scared of the possibility that uSibongile is no longer a virgin. I'm like, auntie, why is she pushing for this whole thing in the first place? Like, is she that desperate to get uSibongile's approval? Ayingeke. Next scene uSibongile, she is at eresi uhlele kamereni lakhe nomnganakhe uZanele and they are having a conversation. So uSibongile is like, hey, khona kuyangithusa nangokuthi if ubaba ukhulekile ngongenzela umemulo ngizothini mina. uZanele says, yabona mnganami, once that is done, once umemulo is done, akekho umuntu ozoma endleleni yakho nempumelelo yakho. Mina kade ngahlola futhi njalo nje hlezi mengihlola kuhamba kahle. Into enhle ngomemulo yikuthi mayiphelile wenzela iphathi nje cabanga. Iphathi yokuthi nje siyabonga ngoziphatha kahle. uSibongile then says, hey kodwa Zanele, sizothini if amantombazane they don't come? Ngoba phela izikole ziyavala manje, abanye babuyele emakhaya, futhi abanye bayabhala itest yokugcina namhlanje ebusuku. Then uZanele says ukuthi hayi wena khuleka, mina ngizokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi zonke intombi nabantu bazobe bekhona. Kahle from tonight nje sobe sinokhuzana sikhona thina sikusupporta. So kusho ukuthi uSibongile she's kind of concerned about if they do umemulo for her, who's going to come to that event. So uSibongile says, hey, wangisiza ukulalela unembeza ukuthi ngiqhubeke ngigcina ubuntombi bami abangamnge frishe ngalingeka. uZanele then says, hayi wena kanjani manje umemulo ubuzokwenzela for bani if wena bowulingeka or if wena you got tempted. uSibongile goes on to say, hey wena khona-ke ubaba bengizothini ngoba phela cabanga sengimtshela ukuthi baba angiselona itshitshi. uZanelezacabanga isaze lingaba kodwa-ke mina-ke mngani ngiyaziqhenya ngawe, ngiyaziqhenya kakhulu ngawe. So kunganjani if ngivule igroup so that sizokhuluma sixoxe ngayo yonke into, sikhulume about all that needs to be discussed, bese-ke lamanye amantombazane ozwana nabo azobe khona. uSibongile then says, umqondo omuhle yazi no, nami-ke vele mele ngizame ukuhlanganisa izinto so sizohamba with one transport mesiye ekhaya. uZanele then says, na omunye futhi wabangani bami unemoto. And then uSibongile says, nozama unemoto. uZanele is like, shuthi-ke sikhavadi-ke indaba ye-transport asisayexoxe nje sesiqedile ngayo. uSibongile is like, avele kwalunga nje kanjalo. uZanele is like, iyabona. And then uSibongile is like, ngiyabonga Zanele. uZanele then says, khuleka ngikhona mina. And then the scene ends like that. Next scene uVelephi usekitchen. As she's busy in the kitchen, uSangweni walks into the lounge. Now you know Wambambo, guys, it's kind of like an open plan. Most kitchen, you can see someone in lounge. So anyway, uSangweni walks in a lounge and uVelephi is like, oh yeah, butongdala. Oziphethe la ekhaya. Ya Sangweni, ngikwenzele isandwich lana oyithandayo, uthini kafishi, ngifake no-tomato sauce. And then uVuma says, nali sandwich, wazobamba mfana, ungabulawa yindlala. uSangweni just sits down and then he's like, khuleka baba angidli. uVonep is like, hayi bo, kahle wena, ungazozitshela ngami lana. Ngiyazi ukuthi awudlile imini yonke yini. USangweni then says, ngiyadelika. UVumazayo, uyadelika? Udelekele ekudleni pho. He turns and then he looks at uVelephi. He's like, uyahlanya umfowenu. USangweni is like, yeah, angidli, angigezi, maduzane nje ngizoba ngingakhulumi. uVelephi is like, hayi bo. UVuma is like, hayi bo. uVelephi is like, kuyasangana lona. Wena ubunganayo intombi izolo lokhu le ezokubaleka when you smell njengoba uthi awufuna ukugeza wena. And then uSangweni just keeps quiet. uVuma is like, oh, njengoba uthule shuthi-ke sesikhuphukile lesistelika akusakhulunywa-ke manje. uVonep is like, we hayi nkosi yami, yazi izombulala indlala lona. And then uVuma is like, hayi mina athi ngidleke. uVelephi then says, hayi izidlela i-sandwich yakho baba. The scene just ends like that. I'm like, abo Sangweni, ayi ngeke. Next scene we see uKwenzo. He is at home kwaDlamini and he is having a conversation with uPhetheni. So uKwenzo then says, so yeah ma, ngibone ukuthi kuyisikhathi esiright lesi and angikaze ngibe nesiqiniseko sento kangaka before. So engidingayo kuwena is your blessing so that ngiqhubeke ngilobole and then senze umembeso. And then uPhetheni is like, hey, angeke ngithi ngimangele ngayo yonke lento. uKwenzo then says, yeah, ma, it shouldn't surprise you because uyazi ukuthi uSibongile ngimthanda kangakanani and I just need your blessing nje kuphela. But you can see ukuthi uPhetheni, her hands are tied. Remember, she doesn't want uKwenzo to get married to uSibongile. So uPhetheni then says, yeah, mfanami, bengazi ukuthi isikhathi esifana njengalesi sizofika. Kodwa I didn't think ukuthi it would be so soon. Kade ushadile nje izolo lokhu. And then uKwenzo is like, yeah, I know ma. Kodwa unomalanga bongamelanga ngimshade. And lokho I could feel it ngaphakathi. Both times when I was at the altar, it felt wrong. My decision is final, ma. Ngiyacela into engiyidingayo kuwena is your support and ngizoba right. uPhetheni is like, yeah, mfanami, injabulo yakho ibalekile kumina mfanami. uKwenzo's like, yeah ma. And then uPhetheni says, kodwa-ke angifuni ukuqambela amanga, I'm struggling with this. uKwenzo's like, yeah, kodwa ma, ngiyamthanda uSibongile futhi angiboni ngiphila impilo yami ngaphandle kwakhe. And then he takes a ring out of his pocket, he opens it, he shows it to uPhetheni. uPhetheni takes it and she looks at it and she smiles and she's like, landela inhliziyo yakho mfanami. And then uKwenzo says, yebo. The scene ends like that. Yeah. Anyway, next scene, guys, we see uSibongile, uSamke, she's kwaMbambo, she's busy cooking. Next thing, emnyango kungena amatshitshi benoSibongile, they dressed in their attire, busy singing their uthi leya ngoma ethi uyitshitshi wena uqambelana amanga, something like that. They singing, uSamke so happy. I'm like, auntie, no, umemulo wakhona is going to be so close by. Kusho ukuthi next week, guys, we're going to be seeing the episode playing out. I didn't think it was going to be so quick, but anyway, there uSibongile is, the girls came and support her and they really looked all so happy. Last scene that we see uNjengaye enters the room. Actually, uPhetheni is sitting by the mirror. Angazi she's doing her night skin routine for her face. uNjengaye comes in and then he starts taking the pillows off the bed. And then uPhetheni is like, yeah, ne? Umuntu uzokumangaza yazi, uzokumangaza kwangempela. Yabo yonke lento iyangifundisa ukuthi ungabomthemba umuntu, ubothemba itsha. And then uNjengaye just says, uPhetheni is like, themba itshe, ngeke lize liphoxe lona. And then uNjengaye is like, ngizolala nje namhlanje, ngilale nje ngiphumule. uPhetheni is like, yeah, ungalala. Angithi wena vele wenza into oyithandayo. Ngikutshelile ukuthi ungawenzi ama-DNA test. Wena wenzani wena? And then uNjengaye just says ukuthi I haven't looked at the results as yet. uPhetheni is like, kuzoba ngcono ke ungawafundi ngoba if Njengaye uyawafunda uyobe umoshe ngendlela yokuthi ngeke sikwazi ukulungisa. Ngikunikeze u-30 years wonke wempilo yami. U-30 years. Ngenzani? Ngakusapota, ngakuthanda. Ayikho into that I've never did for you. Yona ndlela ongibonga ngayo lena. And then unjengaye says, okay. Ngeke ngiwafunda ama-results, kodwa-ke ngidinga ukwazi igama lalo muntu owuqhefeza naye, and then the scene just ends like that. Guys, I'm just like, Kunjengai, what is he going to do with that information? At the end of the day, I just feel like even if uPhetheni gives him the name, uzowavula lama results, uzowavula because the results are here. There's no way he's not going to open them. Even if uPhetheni gives him the name, what is he going to do with that name, you guys? And why is uPhetheni? I don't get it. Why is uPhetheni making such a big deal out of it? Serawenzile ama-test. Let them just open, or let Unjengaye just open the results. What is she afraid of? Angazi, guys. But anyway, let's just park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.